watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to a showcase of simple yet delightful Christmas vignette decor ideas. Transform your spaces with these easy-to-create vignettes that capture the essence of the holiday season. Now let's explore these imaginative vignette ideas. Turn an old hanging scale into a tray. For a festive touch, pair it with painted houses, inexpensive ornaments, glass ornaments, and a cute little deer figure. Creative addition. To quickly evoke Christmas, use downloadable art, such as a candy cane painting. For a charming presentation, especially if you don't have a fireplace, pair it with an old sled, bottle brush trees, a deer figure, and a wooden garland. Mini Winter Village. For a wacky and charming display, assemble a miniature winter village vignette using tiny cottages, figures, and fake snow. DIY deconstructed books. For a straightforward yet sophisticated arrangement, group DIY deconstructed books with a beaded garland, another bottle brush tree, a horse figure, and a Christmas-scented candle. Sled and trees. For a flexible decor design that works in every setting, use a sled filled with different Christmas trees and a festive sign. Frosted elegance. Create a gorgeous centerpiece that exudes Christmas charm by decorating a dining table with a frosted garland and white porcelain trees. Birch trees with tin accents. To create a charming and rustic scene that can be placed in different areas of your house, combine charming birch trees with tin trees and a rustic red reindeer. Candlelit elegance. Arrange a group of beautiful candle holders with tapering candles in the middle of the arrangement. For a traditional and warm look, encircle them with pine cones, holly, and a few delicate ornaments. Old Christmas cards. For a nostalgic touch, place old Christmas cards in an arrangement on a corkboard or hang them from a twine hanger with clothespins. Add a short string of lights to complete the look. Scandinavian simplicity. For a calm and uncluttered scene, embrace the minimalist Scandinavian design with white candles, wooden accents, and sprigs of eucalyptus or spruce branches. Cozy knit elements. For a warm and inviting arrangement, combine cozy knit elements like blankets, stockings, or little knitted decor items with rustic wooden accents. Nature-inspired display. To create a rustic and earthy display, arrange pine cones, acorns, branches, and dried oranges in a colorful bowl or tray. This will create an atmosphere inspired by nature. Chalkboard elegance. Make your vignettes backdrop a pretty chalkboard. For an added personal touch, add candles and greenery along with your festive drawings or handwritten holiday greetings. Glamorous metallics. To add a hint of glitz, add metallic pieces such as candle holders made of gold or silver, ornaments or little figurines combined with sequined accents or shimmering ribbons. Inspired by stories from books, create a setting straight out of a storybook using old books, ornaments with fairy tale themes, and maybe a whimsical little antique clock or teapot. These vignette ideas demonstrate how simple elements and a touch of creativity can infuse your spaces with Christmas cheer. Which of these setups resonates with your style? Explore these vignettes to add a festive ambience to your home this holiday season.